Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the Electronics Mart India IPO allotment status check. Further, we will be looking into the grey market premium of the IPO and what is going to be my listing day strategy in this IPO. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel and do like this video. Talking about the Electronics Mart India, I have already did a detailed analysis of the company, whereas you can see this company is the fourth largest consumer durable electronics retailer in India. They are the largest consumer durables in South India, as well as they work on the ownership model as well as the lease rental model. The company operates in three business activities, which are into retail, wholesale and e-commerce, through which they sell their products. The company possesses a very strong financials. You can see that the revenue of this company has been continuously going up since March 2019, and I believe that this can sustain in future as well. Looking at the Electronics Mart India IPO event date, so today is the final day where you will get to know that you have been allotted with the shares of this particular IPO or not. I have personally applied for 4 lots in this particular IPO on October 4, 2022. If you won't get this IPO allotted, then the refund will take place in one day, or you can expect the refund to come back by tomorrow. Now, the IPO was not of a big size. The size of the IPO was roughly around 500 crore rupees only, whereas the subscription was very strong. The QIB portion was subscribed 169 times, NIS was subscribed 63 times, whereas retail was subscribed 19 times. The total subscriptions come out to be roughly around 72 times. And if you are a retail investor, then there are 20 applications for one lot of the IPO. Now, where you can check the allotment status for this particular IPO. The IPO allotment status can be checked on the BSE website. BSE Investors Application Check. I will put this link on the description box as well. You can go and click on the link to check the IPO allotment status. Here you can see that you have to go to issue type equity, put the issue name as the IPO is Electronics Mart India, click on it and put your application number or the PAN number in the given blanks. You can put your PAN number, click on the I'm not a robot and search. If the stocks will be allotted to you, then definitely it will show you a positive sign stating that you have been allotted with this equity. And if not, then it will show a 0 on the allotted share column. The second website where you can check the Electronics Mart India IPO is KFintech.com. This is again a IPO allotment status check website where you have to select IPO. Right now you see that the Electronics Mart India IPO is not listed. It will come once the allotment status is live. You can click on the IPO, then definitely you can check it from application number, demat account or PAN number, same. Enter the CAPTCHA and submit. It will again take you to a new page where you will be able to see whether the stocks have been allotted to you or not. Now, the current grey market premium for the company stands roughly around 26, I believe 25-26, which is 42 to 43%, and I believe that the company can possess a strong listing on the listing day if the global markets and if the Nifty is in positive. The stock can open around the level of 85 to 90. If you are a short-term investor who applied for the listing gains, definitely you can plan to book your profits, because 45 to 50% of return is huge in just a couple of days. Now, talking about my strategy, what I will be doing is I will be putting or taking out 50% of the stocks on the opening price. Well, I will be putting a SL on the opening price. If it breaks the level of opening price on the listing day, then definitely I will be taking out half of my shares from this particular stock and I will be booking some of the profit. The same I did with the Harsha Engineers IPO. The IPO got listed around 450. It made a high of 530 and came down drastically. So definitely you can look for the levels in this particular company. The stock can face a psychological resistance at a level of 100 rupees, where you can plan to book your profits for short term and see how the company is traded. If you are planning to stay in this company for a long term, then also I will suggest you to book some of the profits at the opening price SL. If it does not go below the opening price on the listing day, then definitely you can hold this particular stock for the longer period. I hope I was able to give you a good overview and a step-by-step guide to how to check the allotment status as well as the grey market premium of the IPO. So if you like this video, please make sure to share it with your friends and do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.